You're listening to Bay FM 100.3. That's The Boss and Dancing in the Dark. Not to be recommended. You might trip over something, especially at our age. It's 11 past 11. Welcome to Bay Health, and we've got Madonna Guy, of course, from New Leaf Natural Therapies, and she's brought a friend. Her name is Monique, and I feel like we're already friends as well. Now, why she's brought you here today is you are something that, well, it just goes to prove that there's no such thing as coincidence, right?
No, that's right.
So, Monique, let's just recap your story, because it's quite amazing. You were listening to a radio station, Madonna was on it, you were feeling so sick. So what happened?
Yeah, I'd just come back from a cruise overseas and I was so sick. I was coughing day and night. The neighbours really had to shut all their windows. And I'd been to the doctors. They couldn't find out what it was or anything. And when I heard Madonna, I thought, oh, she sounds sense. Oh, I'm going to make an appointment. So I did. And I then said to the doctor, oh, well, I heard about this naturopath. And I thought, well, give it a go. And he gave me all the blood test results and everything so that Madonna could see where I was up to, and she made me better.
See, what he did is you had a doctor that was fine with East West medicine, which sometimes you don't get. Yeah. So that's great. Now, Madonna, what's the first thing? Monique wanders in and says this. What's the first thing you did?
Well, we have a look at those blood tests and see it from our perspective. So you can imagine a naturopath looks at blood tests a little bit differently because we're looking for health, whereas doctors are, and this is what they need to do, they're looking for disease. So once we look at things like the white blood cells, the iron levels, all of the different things to do with thyroid and everything, we get a different perspective going on. So basically we got her onto some supplements, and this is what any naturopath will do, get you onto some supplements that actually boost the immune system. But then we had to because this cough, like she said, 4 months, had missed 4 months off work and had never taken it, or very few days off before that. Yeah. So we started her on the microcurrent machine. So a lot of naturopaths have got microcurrent machines.
Can you just explain to the lay people like me what that is?
It's so when you go to a physio and they've got the TENS machines, or you buy those little fat blasters on TV and they basically make muscles relax and contract.
And shake, baby,
Yeah, that's right. So a microcurrent machine, that one's 1,000th of a frequency. Microcurrent's about 1,000,000th of a frequency.
Oh, okay.
So it means that we can target very specific cells in the body. There's been about 100 years of research on microcurrents. So there are specific microcurrents for the lungs, for the heart, for the capillaries, for the bronchioles. You can actually really nut down to the individual part of the body where you want to reduce inflammation and then go through and say, right, we want to do things like break down pus, we want to reduce inflammation, we want to get rid of the infection, we want to boost immunity in there. We can sort of work towards health of a particular organ through the microcurrent.
That sounds amazing.
It's pretty cool.
Pardon me for coughing. I think I've caught it. No, I haven't. We're going to talk a little bit about more, of course, what you've done with Monique. But the thing from Monique, isn't it, that you just feel great now?
Oh, fantastic.
That's what we want to hear, see? You're listening to Bay Health on Bay FM. Up shortly, more of Monique's story and how she got her health back on Bay FM. Sorry,